When shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain? When the hurly-burly's done, when the battle's lost and won, that will be before the set of sun. Where is the place? Upon the hill, there to meet with Macbeth. Fair is foul and foul is fair. Hover through the foam and fill the air.
Save King Duncan, save the kingdom.
Where do you come from, Lord?
From the east battlefield, great king, where the discarded traitor, Lord of Powder, began to disperse conflict towards great Macbeth. Well, he deserves that name. Indeed, he is great to bring us victory by himself.
Great happiness. No more shall the Lord of Cawdor deceivers. Go, pronounce his present death with his formal title address, Great Macbeth. What he has lost, noble Macbeth has gone.
A drum, Macbeth has come.
So fall and fear again, I have not seen.
What are these? So withered and so white in their attire. These do not look like inhabitants of the earth.
Speak if you dare. What are you?
All hail, Macbeth, hail to the Lord of Grammys. All hail, Macbeth, hail to the Lord of Cawdor. All hail, Macbeth, who shall be king hereafter.
What kind of prediction are these? These creatures are gibbering a lot.
If you can predict the future, speak to me. Predict my future as well. Hail! Lesser than Macbeth and greater. Not so happy, yet so happier. Your son shall be crowned king after Macbeth, even though you won't be one.
Why do they grace me in borrowed robes? How can I be? The Thane of Cawdor? The Thane of Cawdor lives. And King? King Duncan has sons. Potential heir to the throne. This can't be true. This can't be true.
Hail, King of Cawdor, I bring the news of your success. The king is impressed by your performance in the battlefield and has rewarded you with the title the Lord of Cawdor.
Hail Macbeth, the king of Cawdor! Can the devil be true? Oftentimes, instrument of darkness lull us into the false sense of security and hide from us the deepest, darkest, greater consequences.
Anyway, let me inform everything to my wife. Ross, carry my message to her.
Scene 4 Palace of Duncan.
Complete by Banco.
Oh, worthiest cousin, I have only left to say, more is bad due than all I can pay.
Dear Lord, the service and the loyalty I owe in doing it pays itself.
Out of plenteous joy, let me come and show it after visiting your mansion in Inverness.
Great joy, let me go and inform this to my beloved.
Let it be so.
Scene 5
Received your letter, great Jamis, and the worthy Thane of Cawdor. I'm glad to hear about his success. Yes, you mean for greater, just shall become king. But there is no way you can ascend the throne with Malcolm and Dunalvin in your way.
My dearest love, Duncan comes here tonight.
Oh, let's do it then. Look like an innocent flower, but be the serpent underneath. I hope you got me.
How can I commit such a crime? King Duncan double trust. I am his loyal and trusted kingsman and his faithful subject. We will have to proceed no further with this now. Aren't you afraid? What if we fail?
We fail. Those words do not go together in your case. Be courageous. We can perform anything on that unguarded Duncan. And after you commit the murder, we'll blame it on drunken guards.
Why can't you take his life then?
My lord, I am a fine lady. It's aberrant to my gender. I only wish and plan this for your benefit.
I have done it. Did you hear noise? Did you?
And you brought the dagger as a souvenir? Why did you bring the dagger from the place? It must lie there. Take it back and make sure you smear the guards with blood.
Please, please, I will go no more. I'm afraid to think what I have done.
I will do it then.
Lord of great Neptune's ocean, wash this blood clean from my hands.
A little water clears of this deed. Oh, in our house. Oh my lord. Oh heavens.
I repent me of my fury that I did kill the guards that took the life of my beloved king.
On hearing the news of their father's death, the Scene 9. Macbeth's Castle, Inverness.
Hands. All these perfumes of Arabia couldn't make my little hand smell better. Am I troubled by the vengeful ghost of the innocents? Am I losing my sanity? My heart is deeply burdened by the unearthly act.
Scene 10. A tyrant marked by overwhelming guilt, anxiety, and a descent into mental chaos.
What on earth have I done? I have taken the lives of many innocent people, including my right hand Banco. What must I do now? Should I go and take the lives of Duncan's sons? Going against God and my neighbor alike, and now there is no place for me on earth, nor in heaven or hell. It was my greed. It changed me. It turned me into someone I'm not. Can I be forgiven? Can I?
Things have gone wrong with Macbeth. We were only uttering the truth. Excuse us if we forget to mention petty details. Oh, weak-minded Macbeth wouldn't be aware of the consequences. But our work is done in an equivalent matter. Poor Macbeth. That's why we always chant. Fair is foul and foul is fair. However to the fog and fill the air. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha!
What an amazing performance! Every actor portrayed ambition.